Hi, how you going? Just a bit of an experiment I was playing with here. This is just a garbage bag, bit of garden hose, and this is some wine I've made, which is fermenting at the time, giving off carbon dioxide gas. And I've always wanted to have free carbon dioxide gas for my welder. So I'm doing a little experiment to see if this actually works, and it works rather well. This is the first stage, okay, and I'll show you the next stage. Okay, this is the second stage. I've actually pumped the gas into a bottle, right, and there's the welding regulator. So I've already put it in via a pump, which is that thing there. Put the bag on the end of that hose there, and it sucked it in, then pumped it in to here. I've put two of those big black bags in there, so there's not a lot of gas in there yet, but I'll give you a demonstration of how well it does work. Okay, here we are, MIG welder, steel, and it's running on the carbon dioxide from the fermented grapes. Okay, not too bad. Turn the welder off. Now we'll do a short test with the grinder to make sure there's no porosity in the weld. Okay, here's the weld. Just a bit closer look at it where I ground. As you can see, absolutely no porosity in it at all. A bit funny to start with, didn't have my settings right, but that's not too bad. Welded with CO2 from fermenting grapes.